Welcome to another video from Yenkna PCs. This time we're going to look at a new program on the Raspberry Pi called MotionEyeOS. What this program does is it converts your Raspberry Pi into a surveillance system. Let's get to it. Okay, we're going to download MotionEyeOS for the Raspberry Pi. Go here to random nerd tutorials. Just give it a few seconds for the load. It tells you what you need to format the card, etc. Go over here to downloading the OS image. Click on MotionEyeOS release page. Click on the latest version. Right now it's 20190619. Scroll all the way down to whatever single board computer you have. I am personally running the Raspberry Pi 3. Go to Save As. You hit Save and go from there. Now we're going to show you how to flash the image. Alright, with a newly formatted card, let's go to Etcher and flash the card with the new version of MotionEyeOS. Alright, let's select the image. Here go to the Downloads folder. Go to the latest one, open. And we hit flash. The other one was Commander Processor, yes. And it should be any moment that we'll have a freshly flashed card. Alright, it's completely flashed. We're going to go put it in the Pi and boot it up. Alright, we're going to get into the Raspberry Pi's IP address. Yours would be different than mine. Mine is 192.168.1.101. Now I already got my Pi set up wirelessly. Okay, after a little bit of time, it started loading. Now, we're going to show some motion on the camera in just a few seconds. As you can see, the camera has actually shown some footage of me walking into the lab. And I'll show you some settings which you can change. Well, first of all, we got to go into admin. Alright. Whereas we're logged in as an admin. You can change your settings. You can check to see if the operating system is up to date. Which according to this it is. You can tell the system is shut down, reboot, back up your data, restore the data, turn on Wi-Fi, expert settings. You can put a cloud on there. set up a cloud account, change your camera settings. You can do still images, movies, motion detection. I mean, the possibilities of this thing is endless. As you can see, it's relatively easy to get a Raspberry Pi to work as a surveillance system. I hope you found this video educational. Please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and catch you later.